Happy Saturday, everybody. It is about 81 degrees. We are heading out to the park, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, y'all. So we are walking to the park. Y'all know these suburb areas ain't got no sidewalks, so we out here walking. It's still walking. So yeah, we had 81 degrees. It dropped a little bit, but it's still nice out here. The sun is starting to set. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, it's Alicia J, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And I am back. I've been sick with COVID, dealing with a bad toothache. So I've been dealing with that, but I at least wanted to turn on this camera and check in with you guys. So let me know how everybody is doing below. And so I wanted to share with you the tools you will need to start your digital product business. All right, y'all. So I promise, like, digital marketing is not as complicated as it may seem. It's super easy and it's beginner friendly and it's easy for you to get started. So when I initially started my journey, the tools that I started with is my phone. Like, you're gonna need your phone because that's how you're gonna be able to work your business. Yeah, I'll be at this part, and it's like, as soon as I started talking, like, everybody decided they wanted to come on to the park. So just bear with me. I'm just trying to talk through it while I can. Okay, so to start your digital marketing journey, like, you're gonna need some type of digital product that's gonna give you the skills of digital marketing. And the product that I started with was UBC, which is the ultimate branding course. Like, it's gonna teach you how to brand yourself and show up on social media, and it's going to give you the skills of digital marketing. So if you are interested in starting this journey, feel free to check out the link of my bio in my Beacon store for the course that I got started with, which was UBC. And so after that, the next thing that you're going to need is you're going to need your phone, because that's how you're going to get your business up and running. And you're going to be using it on the daily to, like, post. And so whether you want to do this faceless or you want to do it face forward. So you're going to need your phone to get your business up and running. So yes, that very same phone that you are watching this video from, or it could be a laptop, that's how you're going to be able to run your business daily. And so the next thing you're going to need is you're going to need CapCut. So I use CapCut to edit my videos when it comes to like putting text on the screen, or like putting those like different transitions. I use CapCut. So you're definitely gonna need that tool for like editing your videos. And so I love CapCut. So I'm one of the ones that cried when, the TikTok ban happened and they also shut CapCut down. So yes, I love CapCut. So that's what you're gonna use to edit your videos. And the next thing you're going to need is you are going to need Canva, because that's how you're going to create those different templates and edit it and just like rebrand your products. And so and then be able to like download them to add them to your store. And so with that being said, like you're going to need some type of funnel, and a funnel being like some type of like store to put your products on, if you're doing like a digital business. And so I initially started with my stand store, but maybe 4 or 5 months into it, I ended up switching to Beacons. And so you're gonna need some type of store to put your digital products on, so that your customers will be able to see what type of products that you have, and be able to make a purchase from. And then from there, you got your digital products, you got your phone, you have CapCut, you have your digital product, you have your funnel being your beacons or your stand, whatever you choose to put your products on. And then next you're gonna need ChatGPT. And I kid y'all not, like ChatGPT is like my personal assistant. So when it comes to like doing my like email marketing, or being able to like articulate like clearly what I'm trying to say, like you're gonna need ChatGPT. So that's literally like your personal assistant. So you're gonna be using that on a daily. And so yeah, you're gonna need those things to get started on your journey. And so once you get started, start going through the digital product, being that digital product that you choose to learn your marketing skills. And like it's literally at your pace. You don't have to know everything starting this business, y'all, because I kid y'all not, like I'm constantly learning things every day. Like as a beginner, you don't have to know everything getting started. And that's the beauty about this business. Like there's always growth, and there's always different opportunities getting started on this journey. So I encourage any moms out there that are looking for an extra stream of income, that are looking to escape that 9 to 5, and you want to be able to provide a better life for your family. Because I kid y'all not, like things are crazy right now. Our prices are going up. The economy is crazy. So we have to be able to provide, another source of income for ourselves and our families. And so if you guys have any questions and I can help with anything, feel free to drop them below in the comments. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me through my email address, or you can always catch me on my faceless IG at Passive Faceless Chick. DM me. I'm always on there, and I would leave voice notes. And yes, I do have my coaching calls available. So if you want to book one, if you have any questions on how to get started and you need help getting started, just know that you guys could always book those. Don't forget to sign up, for my weekly subscriptions. I'm working on revamping my store, so just kind of bear with me. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, like, feel free to reach out to me. I know I've been sick, but I have been, like, at least actively responding and engaging on my channel, on my YouTube channel. So feel free to reach out. Like, I'm always going to respond, like, because I always feel like engagement is important. So if you need me, feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you may have, or if I can help out with anything. And so yeah, y'all, we just out here chilling. The sun is starting to go down, and I still have to do my son's haircut. I did twist it a couple of days ago, so I still gotta cut his hair. So we're gonna do that, but other than that, like, we're not doing anything major today. But yeah, I at least wanted to get out here and talk to you guys, because I know I've been down and out, and I'm back while I'm feeling good. So I am here. And so yeah, I'm just gonna, enjoy the rest of our time out right now, and I will talk to you guys later. All right, y'all, we are heading home. It's getting dark out here, so we're heading back home. I think I've accomplished what I came to accomplish today. So I was able to complete my video recording at the park, and then I was even able to turn on my live. So I think I did good today. But yeah, y'all, it's getting dark, and we're heading home right now. We're still walking home. If you made it to the end and you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.